trust me, you are going to be touched upon. Your heart is going to tremble with a lot of love and pleasure because taking you to one of the most important companies. It's a very well established Indian brand, not only in India but in Australia as well. Talking about Woods Decor, located in Mohali, they have established a huge line when it comes to French furniture units. You can choose various styles including French reproduction, shabby chic and contemporary glamour as well. Whether you are a homeowner, hotelier or an interior designer buying for your projects or for yourself, you will find stunning furniture units for bedroom, living room, drawing rooms and dining. This is my favorite space. Let's begin the journey now. Alright, so starting with this one, rightly placed, these two beautiful French chairs as they are made for your foyer area, and then moving further, this is the beautiful French design, bed with minimalistic look in a fabric. Whenever you're going for these kind of French chairs for your foyer, remember you should have some table as well. Now this is the showstopper and this has created a history. Talking about this is a royal sofa set, perfect set for your drawing room that includes two carving chairs and a 3-seater and a 4-seater for a complete opulent setup. This can be customized, center table can be customized, center back panel can be customized with cane. The center back panel we talk about is the sofa back, and this can be customized with cane fabric, pure leather, wallpaper or anything that suits your convenience or your design aesthetics. Large size seaters available with or without a cane center panels. Center table is also 3x3. This can be center table is amazing, very slim legs, and there are a lot of tops options available. You can go for plain glass or top with beveled edges, or you can go for cane and a marble and other onyx tops. Now talking about this beautiful setup, it's a bedroom concept. And this is a typically Victorian elegance walnut bed collection. This has got various polish options available with them. They have polish available in walnut finish, French polish, duco polish, distress polish. This can be customized. The headboard of the bed can be customized according to the taste, and of course fabric can be done. This will remind you of a four-poster bed, but it is actually not. This is a typical Victorian bed with plain design headboard and of course printed fabric on the ottoman. You can find a plain wood in classic and natural appeal as well. The footboard offers you the following options. You can carve designs, you can make it minimalistic, simple, very stylish touch, and of course it can be made with help of the leather as well. Side units, of course, they are attracting because it doesn't look very heavy and very beefy and bulky on the top. You can go for different options. They have thousands of options available with them when it comes to side units. This is a perfect example of classic Chesterfield sofa set with, of course, a lot of customization available. This can elevate your living space or living room with a lot of premium look and feel. Very thoughtfully designed and created with a lot of elegance. Perfectly suited for modern and classic interior. This sofa set is available in various ranges. You can go for 2.5, 3-seater, 3-seater combination for diverse seating arrangement. Material options, if we talk about, you can choose anything right from the plain or printed fabric. You can go for pure leather as well, or even wallpaper finishes for the personalized touch. Cushions, if you talk about, each sofa includes 4 medium density 32, that we call it in normal terms, cushions, providing a perfect balance of comfort and support. Sofa sets, and of course beautiful center table as an ottoman that can be used for various purposes, right from the seating arrangement to the serving purpose as well. This is trending these days. Moving on to this one now. This is the showstopper of the showroom. This set is also getting all eyes on because Royal Sofa set, this variation includes 2 carving chairs and a 3-seater and a 4-seater for a complete opulent setup in your bedroom, your drawing room. Customization, of course, can be done in various ways. What is available right now is 2 beautifully designed French chairs with leather and fabric. Of course, it can be replaced with any other fabric. If you look at the center table, this also comes with various options, but I like it like this. This has got French units. Please do not get confused with the Oriental legs because these legs are not Oriental. These are the typically French royal units. 3-seater and a 4-seater sofa can include 4 cushions. Cushions can be made with, as I said in the beginning, that 32 density. Top options, plain glass can be replaced with onyx, or you can go for glass as well. Beveled glass is very safe and secured, and to support this structure in 4-seater, they have given the center leg as well. So it is strong, sturdy, and of course minimalistic with a lot of floor clearance. So your sofa unit does not look very beefy, blobby, or occupying too much of spaces. This is trending these days. In case you want to cut down little color, you can, of course, you can have color variation also available with them. You can go for the lighter tone as well. This beautiful option of veneer top for the refined finish match with the center table. You can go for the veneer tables as well. Moving on to this one now. This will definitely get all your eyes on. Now this is a wonderful piece, and the Grand Heritage Sofa Collection series. This has got timeless blend of sophistication and versatility. Designed to bring elegance and comfort to your living room and space, they have got key features like variants available. You can go for two-seater, three-seater, 3-2, and single-seater as well. But I personally like when you have these kind of giant seats, go for a large size three-seater and four-seaters. They have got amazing options when it comes to fabric. You can go for design choices में अगर हम बात करें तो you can go for these kind of plain seaters, you can go for printed and plain, and of course there are various options available including leather as well. Plain side tables and plain and barricade printed, both the materials are available, and the center table is approximately of 5:2.5 and features intricate carving as well. This can be customized in different shapes and can be modified according to the match your preferences. The arms can be replaced with cane and with distinctive touch. You can go for onyx tabletop, another one. This is the Cabriole sofa. We have been talking about it. This also falls into a lot of space saving concept. In case you want to create a little bit of tenderness and soft touch in your space, this is a perfect example. This adds a lot of value in case you have if you have got a lot of boxy finishes, then French sofa sets brings timeless elegance to your living space. This is harmonious blend of classical design and modern customization. This again can be customized in different polishes. This has got very soft and curvaceous touch. And to match with this, we have this beautiful center table because this is also in the circular format, because arms are also very circular. Again, the various options are available when it comes to polish. You can go for distress, you can go for French finish, any kind of shine, and of course you can go for very subtle sober silver and gold and champagne gold at all you want to, but distress looks very nice. Originally it was supposed to be like this. Center table of course is topped with a lot of cane, but you can go for onyx as well. Since it is a little small size of unit, I personally believe you should go for cane as well. Sofa fabric is also available in different finishes. This is another set. This set is actually called Elysian Comfort Sofa Set. Elevate your living space with Elysian Comfort Sofa Set, a masterpiece and timeless comfortable sofa. And this is a lobby setup with a fireplace. This can be customized according to your space. It is good to have a fireplace with two chairs because it gives you warmth. May not be using the fireplace, but fireplace actually has a lot of value, and we have been talking about this. Any furniture unit is, of course, the functionality plays an important role, but the availability of the fireplace in your area actually adds a lot of warmth. This again has a French finish center tables and two chairs. This can be customized in various finishes and looks. This is arm outward look, so good for the places where you have an abundant space available with you and not made for the compact spaces. That's the reason this has a very comfortable side tables. In fact, all the units I have featured in this video, they are available with a lot of side tables as well. Alright, so Woods Decor is actually into bespoke designing the space, design the furniture unit according to your space. You can get them customized. The best part is all the wood used in the furniture units, they are seasoned, very well crafted. Very few companies in this country pay attention to these kind of details. Look at the carving and the craftsmanship. Fireplace, of course, can be installed here. Not literally the fireplace, but you can have electronic fireplace to support this, just to create a warmth and illusion of fire as well. And these are some of the units that we have featured. For more detail, please get in touch with them. Number is being flashed on the screen. And this company has inspired a lot of people like me to actually buy furniture units. So in case you want to buy, please log on to their website or you can visit them personally. Number is being flashed on the screen. Please get in touch.